Hello guys, welcome back to Turmeric Tadka. Today I am sharing a healthy and delicious Akki Roti recipe. A traditional North Karnataka rice flour flatbread which is perfect for breakfast. Made with very simple ingredients, this dish is nutritious, filling and incredibly easy to make. If you are looking for a quick, wholesome and tasty breakfast option, this recipe is for you. So come, let's check out this recipe. Let's start by grating 2 carrots. If you'd like, you can also grate some beetroot or cucumber. Feel free to use whichever vegetables you enjoy. Now let's prepare the rice flour dough. I'm using 4 cups of rice flour, which is enough for about 5 to 6 people. Into the flour, add 2 finely chopped onions, the grated carrots or any grated vegetables of your choice. Then add 3 to 4 finely chopped green chilies, half a cup of finely chopped coriander and a couple of finely chopped tomatoes. Next, add half a tablespoon of jeera. Give it a gentle crush between your palm before adding it in. It brings out such a lovely aroma. Do the same with some ajwain as well. Now add salt to taste, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder and 1 to 2 tablespoons of chili powder depending on how spicy you like it. Mix everything together really well so all the ingredients are evenly combined. Once that's done, drizzle in 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and give it another good mix. Now start adding water little by little while mixing. Bring everything together into a dough. The dough should be slightly softer and a little more moist than your regular dough. That's exactly the consistency we are looking for. Here I am taking a piece of butter paper to make the Akki Roti. Lightly grease your hands with a little oil. Then take a handful of the dough and place it onto the butter paper. Start spreading it out gently with your hands. Keep lightly patting or clapping the dough with your palm to spread it wider and thinner, which is why this is also often called as Talipeth. If you don't want your hands to get too messy, you can place another sheet of butter paper on top and gently press and spread the dough through the paper. Here I have heated a tawa until it's nice and hot. Add about 1 tablespoon of oil to prevent the Akki Roti from sticking to the tawa. Now carefully place the prepared roti onto the tawa one at a time. Cook it on a medium-low flame and fry it nicely on both sides until it turns golden and cooked well. And that's it. Your healthy filling Akki Roti breakfast is ready to serve. You can enjoy it with your favorite coconut chutney or ketchup or even just as it is. Since it's packed with vegetables and spices, it tastes absolutely delicious on its own too. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Turmeric Tadka for more simple, homely and delicious recipes. See you in the next one.